What up? Welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing my very first pair of Merrell Trail Glove 5s. I got them in green. Now, these were $77 on Amazon. I love this shoe. I love this platform. I have a lot of the older Merrell trail gloves. These are minimalist. There's very little sole between you and the ground. Although there are some shoes that are a lot thinner. This is a perfect amount. This is like an everyday shoe. You're not going to beat up your feet wearing these shoes. They're zero drop, of course. I'm the zero drop guy. Are they barefoot shoes? They are. They're barefoot shoes. So I think that is just a perfect combo. Yeah, see, there's no sole in this shoe. It's soleless. The sole is part of the shoe, and they're just designed to be worn barefoot. Super comfortable shoe. So these are made for trail running. I'll let you take a look at these lugs. It's a Vibram sole. Interesting. So these lugs here are really tiny. I feel like I'm gonna wear them out maybe after 2 big hikes. I would give them maybe 20 miles. These are pretty beefy. These look like teeth. These look like rabbit teeth. So it's an interesting new design. Now with these shoes, you're mostly supposed to be using the green part here, because you're not going to be heel striking, you're going to be toe striking. So maybe that's why they made these so tiny. I love the back, how it's rounded. I feel like it feels really good when you're driving, when you're just hitting those pedals. It's a great driving shoe. And when you're going downhill, and if you have to heel strike, you just kind of roll right down that hill. If you're running downhill, I'm not there yet. I go slow. The left foot. I like these. I've always liked these, and I'm happy that they didn't change the platform too much. I was a little bit upset the first time they changed the platform from the original trail gloves to this one here. But this one's very similar to the 4. Just I feel like they just kind of improved the trail glove 4. Take a look at this guy. The only thing I'm worried about is these little lugs. You know, sometimes you notice some controlled obsolescence in products, and I feel like these little lugs might be that. I just kind of not made to last too long, but we'll see. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna wear these, and in 2 weeks I will let you guys know what I think. If you found this video helpful, or if you think you know somebody that would find this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe. Thanks. Create a wonderful day.